Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Today I had a really yummy recipe for you called cranberry chicken. This is one of my favorite dishes to make. It comes together super quick and easy, and it just never fails. It tastes so good. So here are the ingredients. We have some whole cranberry sauce, some classic Catalina dressing, and some onion soup mix, and our chicken over here. I've got about 6 cups of chopped chicken. So we're just going to empty the cranberry sauce into a bowl and kind of smash it around here. Then we're going to add our Catalina dressing, and I will have the exact quantities down below. And we're just going to pour in the whole container. We're going to give that a stir just to break up the cranberry sauce. And then we're going to add one of these packages of onion soup mix. There comes 2 in a box, but we're just going to use one of them. And of course, stir it all together, and then we're going to pour it over our frozen chicken. And before we put it in the oven, we're just going to make sure all of the pieces of chicken are evenly covered and coated with the sauce. Alright, and this is now ready to go in the oven. It has been preheating, and we will cook this at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. But since I am using frozen chicken, I'm going to go for 50 to 55. Here's what it looks like when it's all done. And we're just going to serve some of this over some pre-made rice. And yeah, this stuff is so good. This is one of my favorite meals. I actually learned how to make this way back in high school from a lady at my church. She would do like the meals on Wednesday night at our church, and this was one of my favorite ones that she would make. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's super easy, super fast. Obviously it takes a little bit of time to cook in the oven, but putting it together is super quick. So if you guys happen to make this and you like it, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, tell me what you think. And make sure to tag me in your photos on Instagram, and like and comment on this video. Make sure to share it with your friends, and also make sure to subscribe.